Hi, welcome to week number 16 of kindergarten. Today we're going to write 2 sentences together. It's important that we learn how to write sentences and the things that we need to write or do to make the sentence correct. The first sentence that we're going to write today is fix the van. Say that with me. Fix the van. The very first word is fix. Sound it out with me. Fix. And when we write a sentence, we always have to put a capital letter. So I'm going to make a capital F and then sound out I. Make sure yours is spelled like mine. Then we make a space, right, before we write the next word. Fix what? Fix the or the. Let's sound it out. The. Ready? E. This is our Okay, so we're going to make a space. So we put our finger down to see how far do we need to move over. Then we move over and we sound out E. Okay, we have fix the, what's the last word? Van. Give me the sounds. N. Okay, put our finger down to make our space. Move over and then write N. Okay, we've got fix the van. Is that our whole sentence? Yes, so what do we need to put at the end? That's right, a period. That tells us that's the end of the sentence. Will you read the sentence with me? Fix the van. Very nice job. Okay, we're going to write one more sentence together. It is get the tool. So sound it out. Or say it with me, excuse me. Get the tool. The first word is get. So here we go. Let's sound it out. G, e, t. When we're writing a sentence, what do we always have to put at the beginning? A capital letter. Always at the beginning. So I'm going to make a big giant G. Capital G. G, excuse me, that uses all of the space. So we have G. E, T. Get what? The. Oh, we've already written the once, haven't we? But let's sound it together. Here we go. E. This is our Okay, so we put our finger down to make a space so we know how far do we need to move. Scoot over and sound it out as you write. E. Check it, make sure it's spelled just like mine. Get the tool. Good job. Okay, sound it out with me. Ooh, oh. This is our ooh, All right, so here we go. We're going to make a space and we're going to write ooh, oh. All right, we have get the tool. Is that the whole sentence? Yes, it is. So what do we need to put at the end? A period. That tells us this is the end of the sentence. Okay, good job. Read the sentence with me. Get the tool. Very nice. Okay, so let's read both sentences. Fix the van. Get the tool. Do you think you could draw a picture that matches both of these sentences? I bet you can. All right, you draw those pictures and then share them with me. I want to see your writing and your pictures. Bye-bye.